By the grace of Almighty, all of you are well wherever you are with your family. I hope you stay home, stay safe, and stay fine. Endearment cadets, in the COVID-19 pandemic condition, Boshal Cadet College arranged online class and the class is going on. Beloved cadets, all of you are welcome to today's online class. I am Mohammad Saiful Islam, lecturer in chemistry, Boshal Cadet College, fellow from Ministry of Science and Technology. Dear cadets, today's class is for class 11, chemistry first paper, applied oriented chemistry chapter 5. Endearment cadets, look at the picture, and on the basis of this picture, today's session will be going on. Today's topic is food canning. By the end of this session, you will be able to describe food canning. You will learn canning liquids for different types of food, explain the process of food canning, realize the problem of food preservation, canning and food safety process, importance of canning. Finally, relevant questions on our discussion. Today's session on canning, kinds of foods, and on the basis of the kinds food canning, canning liquid, on the basis of the quality of foods, process of food canning, stages of food canning, realize the problem of food preservation, and by avoiding these types of problem, how we will preserve foods, canning and food safety process and measure, importance of canning, and finally, relevant questions on our discussion. Key terms of this session today: canning, liquor, blanching, exhausting, retorting, sealing. Canning process is the thermal anaerobic process of food preservation. Here, food is free from different types of bacteria, toxin, virus, moisture, and secretion of enzymes. So from that fact, food is free from this type of poisonous and toxic substances. So here, canning, foods are kept in different canning jar at high temperature and by applying pressure. Here, in presence of temperature, pressure, liquor, bacteria dies, enzymes are destroyed, which are grown in the food, then oxygen removed, which are responsible for the putrefaction of food. Here, in the canning process, food will be botulism free. Function: here food is free from enzyme activities, bacteria, and oxygen. For this reason, there will be no toxin segregation by the bacteria and food is free. Here, preservatives also used which control the pH of food and which secretes emit H plus ion which destroy the microorganism which are responsible for food contamination. Canning process. First one, different types of foods which must be canned for further uses. Some are acidic food whose pH less than 4.6, and in that type of food, temperature required 82 to 100 degrees centigrade temperature. For less acidic food, pH greater than 4.6, and in that case, temperature is more than that of the more acidic food, and in this process 115 degrees centigrade to 121 degrees centigrade temperature is applied for canning process. Here, canning process mainly done by applying 3 stages. First one, collection of raw food. Here, different raw foods are collected from its origin and from its known locality, then grading. Good quality foods are graded and which are used for canning. Then next step is washing, debarking, peeling and slicing. This is the first stage. Here no chemicals is used in that stage. In case of second stage, for canning process, blanching, here heat is applied and in this temperature, silvery substance, orange substance are removed and foods are free from gum and odor. This is the canning food. After blanching, then adding canning liquor. Beloved cadets, canning liquor is not fixed. It is used on the basis of the quality of food and category of food. If it is fruits, here 30 to 40% sugar solution is used. If it is fishes, meats, in that case 7 to 15% sodium chloride solution is used. Also, different types of preservatives are used. If it is fruit, 0.25% citric acid is used. If it is different types of fishes, 2% sodium chloride solution and 2% sodium chloride solution is used. Sugar solution also used in that case. In case of meat, 2% sodium chloride solution, that means table salt solution, and 2% sugar solution is used. In case of canning process, third stage, exhausting and sealing. Here, temperature is more than that of the blanching temperature, and in that temperature, different types of substance, moisture, oxygen, and enzymatic activities are destroyed in high temperature. Certolizing process, here cooling and foods are stabilized, and final labeling and storage for marketing process. These three stages are maintained for canning process of food for further use. It is the process which is used for remove or avoid the contamination of food by different toxin substances. Dear cadets, two approved process of canning of food: boiling water process and pressure canning process. Pressure canning is used for low acidic foods, and boiling water process is used for acidic foods. Here acidic, that means pH less than 4.6, and less or low acidic, pH greater than 4.6. Boiling water process, here canning jar are kept in water jar, and here temperature is applied, and this temperature is 82 to 100 degrees centigrade temperature, and it is kept in 10 minutes, about 10 minutes. Here oxygen comes out totally from jars and foods. So rusting cannot occur inside the jars, and bacteria cannot grow for want of oxygen. Then finally tightly sealed. So this is the boiling water process. It is used for the substances which are acidic process, and temperature 82 to 100 degrees centigrade temperature, time about 10 minutes, and depth of water in jar 1 to 2 inches. So this is the process of adjusting. Next, pressure canning process. Here in this process, different types of green peas, green maize, bamboo shoot, this type of foods are fit for pressure canning process. Also chicken, meat, fish, milk made foods, all these types, vegetables, all these types are suitable for pressure canning process. Beloved cadets, here water is added up to 2 to 3 inches height. Temperature is more than that of the previous process, boiling water process, on 15 degrees centigrade to on 21 degrees centigrade, and time is more than that of the previous one, and here 30 minutes to 100 minutes depending on the nature of the food. Here pressure is applied. 10 to 15 pounds per square inches on the pressure. So by this way, pressure canning process is applied for preserving food by canning process. So canning liquor, already we discussed about canning liquors. Canning liquors, if it is fruits, if it is juice, in that case 30 to 40% sugar solution, 30 to 40% sugar solution is used for for fruits 30 to 40% sugar solution is used. Meat, fishes 7 to 15% sodium chloride solution is used. Also 2% sodium chloride is used. Here different types of preservatives are added in canning jar for preserving foods for a long time. Citric acid, sodium benzoate and sodium nitrate. These are the preservatives which are edible. So preservatives must be edible and non-toxic and non-harmful for our health. Beloved cadets, in case of canning process, different types of fruits, suppose mangoes, pineapples are used for canning, vegetables, green maize, green peas, then fishes, meats. So this type of foods are suitable for canning for further uses. So why canning is applied? Due to free from attack of microorganism, free from humidity, temperature, bacteria, toxin segregation. From that poisonous and harmful and contaminated substance, we should keep the food free and canning is applied. Different types of preservatives are used for canning in canning jar. Natural sodium chloride solution, clove, tamarind, mustard oil, sugar, syrup. This type of substances are used for canning. Permitted chemical preservatives must be used and it should be edible. Antimicrobials preservatives also used: sodium benzoate, benzoic acid, potassium sorbate, citric acid, acetic acid. This is vinegar and calcium propanoate. This type of preservatives also used in canning jar for preserve food in long time and free from microorganism. Here, this preservatives control the pH of the food 3.14 to 4.74. In this pH, no microorganism can grow and foods are free from toxin. Also, it produced H+ ion which disintegrate the body of virus and bacteria. Beloved cadets, so first question, what is food? Food is any substance which is digestible and produce energy in our body. Canning, this is the process of preserving food by using can. What is the region of food perfection? Here, humidity, microorganism, virus, bacteria, temperature. So these are the substances, organism, factor which is the main region of food contamination. Now, dear cadets, write down the process of food preservation. Different types of process are applied for food preservation: canning process, heating process, refrigeration process. Now, today's discussion on canning process. Here 3 stages are maintained. First one, selection, sealing. Second one, adding canning liquor, last on canning and sealing. So these processes are applied for food preservation in canning system. Now, different types of questions may be set from our discussion. Beloved cadets, you know there are three types of question. In case of creative system, knowledge base, what is food sealing? This is the process we seal the food. What is food preservatives, which is used for preserved food and which is used for food free from microorganism. There's second type of question, understanding based question. So the process of food preservation, different types of process which are used for food preservation. Suppose drying process, refrigeration process, and canning process. Importance of canning, several types of foods which are used for further use by preservation, and here canning process is applied. Different types of corns, fish, meats. So it is this process which is used for preserved food for further use. This is the process which is applied for food preservation to avoid its contamination. So third type question, that is application based question, deep learning question, aligns the process of P, that means canning process. Here three stages are maintained for canning process. First stage, second stage, and third stage. This is the first stage, collection of raw material, grading, washing, peeling, and sealing. Second stage, blanching, canning, adding canning liquor or sugar solution. Third stage, exhausting and sealing, retorting or sterilizing, cooling, and labeling and storage. These processes are maintained for canning process. Beloved cadets, finally, higher order question, evaluation and deep learning question. Evaluate the importance of steam process. Canning process is very much important for the preservation of food, avoid its contamination. By this year, you will able to answer the question. So, in this session, intermediate cadets, already we discussed food canning, process of food canning, different canning liquor which are suitable for the quality or category of food, the process of food canning. Here three stages are maintained. Realize the problem of food preservation, different types of factors which responsible for food putrefaction. So we need to control it, food from this factor for preservation, canning and food safety process, then importance of canning. These are the today's session and discussion, beloved cadets. Here there is task for you. What is blanching? This is the temperature which is applied for remove gum and odor. Exhausting, here this is the more and higher temperature than that of the blanching. Here different types of substances are cooked. It removes oxygen, moisture, and from that way food is canned. Steam process, this is the canning process. Already discussed, three stages are maintained, from collection of raw materials to labeling and storage. From starting to end, three stages are maintained. Evaluate the importance of the steam process. It is very much important for the food preservation and further uses. So, to avoid the contamination and putrefaction of food, canning process is suitable. Beloved cadets, if any query, you inform me. I will solve your problem. There is another thing you must maintain. Food is for life. It supplies heat and energy in our body. So also contaminated, toxin containing food always sometimes creates different types of health hazard and problem. So we should keep the food free from microorganism and bacteria. For this reason, different preservation process is applied. Always maintain safety measure for your betterment, for the betterment of your society, of your country.